Well, hello dear Aries. Let me settle down my camera. Yeah. Hello dear Aries. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay. And this is a reading from 11th of July till 21st of July. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed anytime, and keep in mind this might not be your story if it is not resonating with you. Okay. Let's start. Aries. So let's see, your partner's current energy right now is Aries. Your partner's current energy right now is Two of Swords. So Aries, I feel like right now your partner is currently emotionally off, closed off. Okay, they are on some kind of crossroads. They are not able to decide what is right for them, what is wrong for them, and they are emotionally, right now cut off from the world, from you, or from any kind of connection right now. Okay, let's clarify why they are feeling like this. Let's clarify. Let's clarify their current energy. Two of Swords. Ace of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Page of Cups. Okay, they are currently closed off right now because they want a brand new start in love, the brand new start in this connection, and they want to develop new feelings. They are manifesting new feelings actually. They are manifesting new type of connection, okay, in their life, new type of love in their life, and they are like, I'm ready for love, but right now I'm not showing it. So beneath the, beneath the hardcore, you can say beneath the hard outer core, this person is manifesting a brand new beginning in love, and this person is manifesting might be a brand new lover or brand new person in their life. This is the situation. Right now they're showing that they're emotionally closed off, but they are manifesting love in their life, a brand new start in the love life of theirs. Okay, let's see your current energy right now, Aries. Your current energy right now is, let's see, King of Wands. So I feel like you are ready to take any kind of risk in your life, Aries, and you are literally wearing your heart on your sleeves, and you are ready to do whatever it takes to keep yourself happy. Okay, this is the situation. So I feel like you're really very passionate about something or someone in your life right now, and you are literally taking any kind of risk to take a risk to keep this person or keep this thing in your life. This is the King of Wands. Although the King of Wands is a stable energy, but it is very passionate energy, and this energy is something that is a risk taker. Who is a risk taker? Big risk taker. Aries anyways are big risk takers. Okay, so let's clarify the King of Wands in your current energy. What's happening with you, darling? Let's see. The Emperor, your card, you could be dealing with another Aries, High Priestess, and Three of Wands. Okay. So you have took some kind of decision, and you are right now listening to your intuition, and your intuition is telling you that turn your back towards somebody. And that's why you are feeling like, okay, I took a decision, I'm very passionate about my decision, I am not going to take any kind of like bullshit in my life. This is the situation here. You are feeling passionate that I have taken some kind of decision and I'm going to stick to that no matter how hard it is right now, or now no matter how hard it is going to be in the future. So it is like right now you are feeling like I should turn my back and I should look forward to the future. You are thinking about the future rather than your present, and you are very passionate about your future. Now I'm getting the clear picture. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, what your person feels for you, whomsoever you are connected with. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see. Nine of Cups. This person feels like you are their wish fulfillment. You are their happiness. Whenever you are with them, you really make them really happy. Okay, you fulfill their wishes. This is the card that I'm getting as their feelings for you. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. It is like they really feel good with you, and I feel like physically they feel really really good with you. Physical connection, physical chemistry between you guys is awesome. Let's clarify. Queen of Pentacles, Six of Swords in reverse, and the Seven of Swords. Okay, although this person is feeling like you are their wish fulfillment, under this wish fulfillment thing and beneath the surface of their outer shell, you can say, they are feeling like right now they should just focus on themselves. They should just heal from something, because they are feeling like there's no peace in their life right now. There's nothing good in their life, right? And there's something that is yet to be revealed. There's some kind of secret that they want to know. No, there's something that they are, very very skeptical about, and they are feeling like this should be revealed to them. This should be clear to them. Okay, there's something between you guys that is still hidden, or it is like there's some kind of secret that just came out to light, and that's why this relationship is right now going through a process of, might be, winding up again and breaking up and then making up. Okay, so it's like a topsy-turvy thing right now that is happening. So right now this person is feeling like there should be some kind of secret that should come to light, or they might be hiding something from you that should come to light. Okay, there's something secretive here. But yes, this person definitely feels like you are their wish fulfillment and you make them really really happy. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Nothing. So this person wants you to come out of this stuck situation and unstuck yourself and talk to them and resolve the issues between you guys. This is what they want from you. This is the Hanged Man. Okay, so I feel like this person is feeling like you're stuck somewhere. You guys are stuck on each other and you guys are not able to move on from each other. And this person wants you to unstuck yourself and talk to them and see things with their perspective as well. Okay, see things with their perspective as well. This is what they want from you. Clarification is very important to know what is going on beneath the surface. The Empress, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Yeah, what this person wants from you is to unstuck yourself and be in your flirty and happy zone again, and be a stable-minded person, and be in a stable and long-term committed connection with this person again. So I feel like this person wants you to propose them for a long-term committed relationship. If you are already in a relationship like that, committed relationship, they want a marriage thing. If you guys are already married, this person wants stronger commitment from you. Okay, a stronger and deeper meaningful connection with you. This is what they want from you. This is the situation here. They want to have a family with you. This is for sure, because this is the card of fertility as well. If you're a female, this person wants to have kids with you, and if you're a male, this lady wants to have kids with you. This is the thing. This is not like a card of male or female. Card of fertility. And this person wants emotional stability, long-term stability, financial stability with you, and to have a long-term committed connection with you, marriage or marriage. Okay, this is what they want. I'm not saying this is what they are doing. This is what they want. Okay, Aries, let's see what to expect from this person till the 21st of July. What is happening with you guys till the 21st of July? Let's see. Two of Wands in reverse. I feel like somebody is getting very very I feel like there's no more wait here. This person is coming towards you. They are taking some kind of decision that they want you back in their life, and they are coming towards you because this is in reverse. If it was upright, it was like they are waiting for you to come to go towards them and talk to them. But now this is in the reverse position. Then I feel like this person is coming towards you. There's no more waiting here. This person is like feeling like they should just rush in and they should just talk to you. They should just clear the air with you. Let's clarify the outcome. All my cards are like here and there right now. Okay. Let's clarify the outcome for you. Okay, Five of Wands, Ten of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Okay, it's like the reverse Two of Wands is clarified by the upright Two of Wands. So it is like this person is coming back towards you, but they are going to fight with you. They are going to fight with you like crazy. And they are going to feel like this relationship or this connection for both of you is some kind of burden that you both are carrying. and they will talk to you and they will make you realize that you should wait for some more time. Although this person is coming back, but there is still fights, there is still, some kind of heaviness, and there is some kind of waiting game again. So it is not happening, it is not, it is not like everything is going to be, lovey-dovey and everything is going to be fine again. No, it is not happening like that. But yes, you guys are going to fight with each other, because I feel like this person is still in love with you and this person wants you back in their life. That's why they're fighting with you. So you just have to be patient and you have to communicate with them really, really well, Aries. Okay, I feel this person wants you back in their life, and if this story is not resonating with you, this is not your story at all. So you don't have to comment bullshit in the comment section. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, this is the story of you. Okay, of you and your partner till the 21st of July. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you.